Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how I did this set. I am using press-ons for this, so it's mostly just the design in this video. I start off by filing the tip. If you're making press-ons for yourself or anyone, just make sure you prep the nail first by buffing out the entire surface and then putting on a base coat. I didn't do that for this video, but that's what you would want to do. I am rubbing it down with rubbing alcohol though, just to get rid of any oils that might have gotten onto it. I'm going in with this Beetles gel. I'm going to be putting this on all of the nails. I'm going to be using 2 coats of it as well. Now into the first nail. I'm using this darker pink. I spilled rubbing alcohol on the side, so don't worry about that. It'll dry up eventually, but I wiped on the nail and then I start with my dark pink, and this nail is gonna have a V French tip. I've been really into V French tips lately. Here's the other 2 nails. Everything's a mess because I did these later on into the recording, so there's more gel on my thing, but I'm basically doing the same exact design onto the thumb, middle, and pinky nails. Now I'm using these shades, this one from Beetles and this one from a cart. I'm going to do the designs for the index finger and ring finger, wiping off the nail, and then starting off with the dark pink. I'm just kind of like slapping it on there with like a random design. This brush is a lifesaver. You don't have to think about what you're doing. You just have to let it flow and it just looks amazing. I love this design because there's so much freedom in it. It's not like the same exact thing for every nail. You can change it up and it'll still look really cute. Now onto the next color. You can see the purple light coming from my lamp on the side, but that's because I like to cure in between while I work. It's just way faster. And that's it for those. It's such a simple set, simple design, but you guys already know I'm going to be wearing this for Valentine's Day. It is so cute and so simple. Now what I'm doing is I take it off the stand and I take off the sticky tack. And then I'm going to file the sides. You can see I got gel in there. I'll use my e-file to get out any of the gel that's seeped underneath. And I do all of this before the top coat just so everything's even and nice and how I want it to look. For the top coat, I like to put it on thick so that everything is smooth, especially when you're doing nail art, it gets really bumpy. So put on a thick top coat and we'll make it look super nice and shiny. Here's what it looks like without the flash. And then with flash, I'm using my fake hand, so it looks kind of weird, but thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.